Ever felt like a digital Marie Kondo, ready to declutter your online life? Maybe you've tried out Lunar, explored its features, and now you're thinking, okay, it's time for this app to find a new home. If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Because in today's quick guide, we're tackling a question many of you have: how do I uninstall my Lunar account? Now, it's important to understand that uninstalling the Lunar app from your phone is one thing, but completely closing down your Lunar account is another. Think of it like this: the app is the key to your house, and the account is the house itself. You can throw away the key, but the house will still be there. So, if you truly want to say goodbye to Lunar, we need to address both aspects. Let's start with removing the app from your device. The process is pretty standard across most smartphones. If you're an Android user, you've got a couple of options. The easiest way is usually to find the Lunar app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap and hold the icon for a second or two. A little menu should pop up, and you're looking for an uninstall option. Tap that, confirm your decision, and poof! The app is gone. Alternatively, you can head over to your phone settings app, find the Apps or Applications section, scroll through the list until you find Lunar, and then tap on it. You should see an uninstall button there as well. For our iPhone users, the process is just as straightforward. Locate the Lunar app icon on your home screen. Gently tap and hold the icon until a menu appears. Select Remove App from the options. Your iPhone will then ask if you want to delete app or remove from home screen. To completely uninstall it, make sure you choose Delete App and then confirm your choice. So, the app is off your phone. Great! But as we discussed, your account might still be active in the background. Now, this is where things can vary slightly depending on Lunar's specific policies and the features they offer. Generally, completely closing your account often involves a few more steps than just deleting the app. The first place you should always check is within the Lunar app itself, if you haven't deleted it yet, or on their website if you can still log in through a browser. Look for a Profile, Account Settings, or similar section. Within these settings, you might find an option to close account, deactivate account, or something along those lines. Follow the instructions provided carefully. They might ask you to confirm your decision or provide a reason for leaving. If you can't find an option to close your account within the app or website, your next step should be to reach out to Lunar's customer support directly. You can usually find their contact information, like an email address or a support portal, on their website. Explain that you want to completely close your account and ask them for the specific steps you need to take. They will be able to guide you through their account closure process. Keep in mind that closing your account might mean losing access to any data or information associated with it. So, before you take the final plunge, make sure you've downloaded or saved anything important you might need later. Also, be aware that some companies have a retention period for user data even after an account is closed, although this is usually outlined in their privacy policy. If you have specific concerns about your data, it's always a good idea to ask customer support about their data deletion practices when you request account closure. Uninstalling the app is the first step, but fully closing your Lunar account often requires navigating the app settings or contacting their support team. Take your time, follow the steps carefully, and ensure you've addressed both aspects to truly part ways with your Lunar experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.